And now we stopped for a November lava. Again, here was tourists in a place where lava spilled over the road, over the new road, as you remember, which was made last year actually. So here is it. It's from November, December lava. Yes. It's legal to stop here. I mean, they made it especially for tourists here. Let's see. Varus means attention. You see, do not make carvings in the lava. Do not walk on the lava. See, lava melted asphalt here. There was some road sign, as you see. There's a cave there. You know that it takes some 15 years for the lava to cool down. At Air Islands, after 1973 eruption, they used the heat from the lava to warm houses for 15 years. So it's still very hot deep under. So it's from November. Take years to cool it down. Anyways, it starts to rain. I'm going back to the vehicle. Many tourists stop here to see local destination. Be well and God bless.